Hello. Today we're going to be working on 16th notes in 3/8 time. Now, this 3/8 concept can be applied in 6/8, 9/8, 12/8, but we're just going to start in 3/8 just to keep things simple. So we have these rhythms here in 3/8. These are just eighth notes in 3/8, and since an eighth note gets one beat in 3/8, these rhythms are all very simple. They're simply 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, as a student who has played 16th notes before, you know that if you have eighth notes and you want to put a note in between two eighth notes, you put a 16th note. So in order to do that, I'm going to put a note, let's say, in between 2 and 3 right here. And that turns both the 2 and the note in between into 16th notes, and 16th notes are marked with 2 lines connecting them. So that note in between 2 and 3 is on the and of 2. And that makes our rhythm 1, 2, and 3. It's pretty straightforward. The next one. Let's say we want to add an extra note after 3. Let me grab a different marker. So that makes both the 3 and the new note into 16th notes. And then if we're going to count, the thing that fits in between 3 and 1 is an and. That would be 1, 2, 3 and. Let's say we wanted to put one between 1 and 2. And we just have 1 and 2, 3. So if you look at all these together, we've got 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, 3. So the counting of those basic rhythms is not overly complex. Furthermore, you can actually have dotted quarter or dotted eighth notes in 6/8, 3/8, 9/8, 12/8, just like you can in 4/4, 3/4, and 2/4 time. So when you look at a rhythm like this, and if you think about the way the subdivision would work, the 2 becomes small because now it's tied into the 1. You get 1 and 3. Now when you're counting that, you need to make sure that you're feeling the subdivision. So your foot's going 1 and 3. So the other way that the composer would normally write that rhythm would be with a dotted eighth note, a 16th note, and then another eighth note. 1 and 3. You've got to feel those 3 subdivisions on the dotted note. The 16th note is on the and then the last eighth note there is just on beat 3. Hopefully that'll get you guys started with 16th notes in 6/8, 3/8, 12/8, 9/8 time. If you have any questions, feel free to hit the envelope on the Schoology page, or you can shoot me an email or put a comment in this week's discussion. Hope that makes that clear for you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good week.